Hi, kids! I'm Miss Shelly, and welcome to episode 19 of our social skills adventure. Today, we're learning a super cool magic trick, teaming up to be big winners. Have you ever done something awesome with a friend, like building a giant block tower or playing a team game? That's the magic of teamwork. It helps us have fun and succeed together. Are you ready? Let's go! What is teamwork, anyway? Teamwork means working with your friends like a team, everyone helping out to do something amazing. It's like a bunch of little bees making honey. Each bee does its part, and together, they make something sweet. There was a boy named Max. He was building a super tall castle out of blocks with his friends Emma and Jake. Max carried the blocks, Emma placed the pieces just right, and Jake made sure it was nice and steady. In the end, the castle was tall and awesome, and everyone cheered. We did it! See? Max and his friends used the magic of teamwork to build their castle. And guess what? You can learn this magic too. Want to become a teamwork superstar? Let's learn these 3 awesome magic tricks. Magic trick 1: set a shared goal. Before you start, the team needs to agree on what you're doing, like planting a little flag that says, "This is our mission." For example, let's build a castle. That way, everyone knows what the goal is. Max said, "Let's build the tallest castle ever." Emma and Jake both said, "Yes." And they got to work. Now everyone knew where they were headed. A goal is your magic flag, it helps everyone march in the same direction. Magic trick 2: share the work. When working together, everyone should have something to do, like passing out snacks so everyone gets a piece. Maybe you carry the blocks, your friend places them, and someone else checks if it's balanced. That way, no one gets too tired. Emma said, "I'll make the castle gate." Jake said, "I'll build the tower." Max said, "I'll bring more blocks." They all had their own job, and the castle was done in no time. Sharing the work is your magic basket, it helps everyone contribute and stay happy. Magic trick 3: celebrate as a team. After you finish, don't forget to celebrate together. Say things like, "Wow, our castle looks amazing." Or give each other a high five. That makes everyone excited to team up again next time. After they finished the castle, Max and his friends shouted, "We're the champs!" And even danced around together. They laughed and had the best time. Celebrating is your magic fireworks, it makes all the fun explode with joy. Why teamwork magic is so awesome. When you learn the magic of teamwork, doing things with your friends becomes extra fun, and you'll accomplish big things together. Later, Max and his friends teamed up again to make a giant painting for their teacher. She smiled and said, "You kids make an amazing team." They felt like superheroes. Teamwork is like planting a friendship tree. Everyone waters it, and it grows tall and strong. That's it for today's social skills magic class. You've learned 3 teamwork tricks: setting a goal, sharing the work, and celebrating the win. Ready to try them out and become a big winner with your friends? Go give it a shot, see if you can turn teamwork into smiles and high fives. I'll see you next time, my teamwork heroes.